Today we are going to discuss how we as Turner teachers can prevent cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place on an electronic device. Cyberbullying happens not only at home, but can also affect students at school. It is often thought of for only secondary students, but it can affect our elementary students too. Students today have more access to technology than ever before. This means that there are a greater number of students at risk for cyberbullying. Cyberbullying has a major impact on our students, so we must be aware of what it is. Cyberbullying has many forms. They include sending messages that are hurtful or mean, posting private videos or pictures without permission or with an intent to hurt someone. It can also be taking on someone's identity and impersonating them. Basically, if someone is being made fun of, threatened, harassed, or hurt online, they are being cyberbullied. Cyberbullying can take place at home or even at school, anywhere where students have access to technology. Students are also using social media frequently. They use the chat functions and they are often posting videos or comments. In all those places, cyberbullying can take place. Cyberbullying can also take place in private text messages between students, either text messaging on their phone or in Teams. It can also take place on YouTube, in the comment sections, and through videos posted online. So what are the effects that this has on our students? Cyberbullying can cause them to have low self-esteem, to become withdrawn and depressed. Depression can lead to poor school performance and later on to drug and alcohol abuse. When it goes without anyone intervening, cyberbullying can also lead to suicide. So what can we do? When we know about it, we must intervene and make it stop. We can do this by showing we care, listening to the students, and referring them on to the administrators and counselors when appropriate. We have policies in place to ensure that cyberbullying is stopped and addressed. We also want to make sure that we are working with parents and keeping them informed. We also need to revisit digital citizenship lessons frequently and remind our students of what appropriate online behavior is. Remember, we can make a difference. Help me in taking a stand against cyberbullying in Turner.